Ever seen nature at its most awe-inspiring? Welcome to Iguazu Falls, a spectacle you won't forget. Straddling the borders of Brazil, Argentina and Paraguay, Iguazu Falls is a breathtaking marvel of 275 individual waterfalls, stretching 1.7 miles across. The indigenous Guarani people named it Great Waters, and they weren't kidding. Formed millions of years ago by Earth's shifting crust, Iguazu's most iconic spot is the Devil's Throat, a roaring chasm that swallows half the river's flow. In the wet season, a staggering 13,000 cubic meters of water thunder over the edge every second. Choose your adventure. Trek boardwalk trails on the Argentinian side for up-close encounters, soak in panoramic views from Brazil, or take a boat safari to the fall's base. Feeling adventurous? A helicopter ride offers breathtaking aerial vistas. Nestled in a subtropical rainforest, this UNESCO World Heritage Site teems with wildlife from vibrant butterflies to elusive wild cats. Accessible via nearby airports, Iguazu Falls is a must-see for every traveler. So, ready to explore? Iguazu Falls awaits.